Interesting facts about capsicum variety of colors. Capsicum, commonly known as bell pepper or sweet pepper, comes in various colors including green, red, yellow, orange, and even purple and brown. Each color indicates a different stage of ripeness and nutritional profile. Rich in vitamins, bell peppers are a great source of vitamins A and C. In fact, red bell peppers have almost 11 times more beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, and 1.5 times more vitamin C than green bell peppers. Low in calories. They are very low in calories, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. A medium-sized bell pepper has only about 25 to 30 calories. Botanical classification. Capsicum is botanically a fruit, but it is used as a vegetable in culinary contexts. This is because it develops from the flower of the capsicum plant and contains seeds. Origin and spread. Capsicums are native to Central and South America. They were brought to Europe by Christopher Columbus and spread to other parts of the world from there. How capsicum is useful in our daily life. Nutritional benefits. Capsicum is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins A, C, K1, E, B6, and folate. These nutrients are vital for maintaining good vision, skin health, immune function, and overall well-being. Culinary uses. Capsicums are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be eaten raw, grilled, roasted, stuffed, stir-fried, or added to salads, sandwiches, pizzas, and a variety of dishes to enhance flavor and nutrition. Antioxidant properties. The high levels of antioxidants in capsicums, such as vitamin C and various carotenoids, help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Hydration. Bell peppers have a high water content which can help keep you hydrated. This makes them a refreshing and healthy snack option, especially in hot weather. Weight management. Due to their low-calorie content and high fiber, capsicums can help you feel full and satisfied, aiding in weight management and preventing overeating. Why its color is green stage of ripeness. Green bell peppers are simply unripe versions of their red, yellow, or orange counterparts. They are harvested before they have fully ripened. As they ripen, they change color and often become sweeter. Chlorophyll content. The green color of bell peppers is due to the presence of chlorophyll, the same pigment that gives other green vegetables their color. As the pepper ripens, chlorophyll breaks down, revealing other pigments like carotenoids. Nutritional differences. Green bell peppers have slightly less sugar and fewer vitamins compared to fully ripe peppers. However, they still provide a good amount of nutrients and are commonly used in various dishes for their distinct, slightly bitter flavor. Conclusion. Capsicums are not only colorful and tasty, but also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that contribute to a healthy diet. Their versatility in culinary uses makes them a staple in many kitchens around the world. Understanding the ripening process and the reasons behind their color variations can help you choose the right type of pepper for your needs and preferences. Whether green, red, yellow, or orange, incorporating capsicum into your daily diet can offer numerous health benefits and add a vibrant touch to your meals.